I hope you enjoy these quick sessions. Okay, so standing tall through the body, core engaged, shoulders relaxed. Just make sure knees are still soft, shoulders are back. So the weight, the gravity is nicely through the center, tall spine. So keeping that posture. We're going to put the weight onto the left leg and come into tree pose. So foot's either just touching down, just above the ankle or above the knee. Tall through the body, lift up. Keep breathing. Bring the arms down. Bring the leg down, change sides. Bring the arms down. Bring the leg down. Standing on the left leg. We're going to bring the right knee up in front. Arms can be wherever you choose. And we're just going to straighten the leg and bend the leg. Straighten the leg and bend the leg. Keep the shoulders relaxed down away from the ears. Keep breathing. Last one. Change sides. Tall through the body, core engaged, shoulders relaxed. That knee nice and high. Straighten and bend. 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 Last one. Straighten and bend. Bring the feet back down. Right, before we do our 20-second balances, I just want you to have a go at a couple of things. So we're going to pretend we're walking a tightrope. So you're going to walk forwards about 8 steps, 1 foot in front of the other. So really make sure the heel and toes are touching. We're going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see if you can go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do it. 7, 8. All right, you did it. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it up on our toes. So you're going to lift up and imagine you're on that tightrope again. We're going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See if we can do that backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. Yeah, well done. Right. If you enjoyed that video, why don't you have a look at one of the longer sessions?